Hello friends, how to minimize downtime in DAG where DAG configured, right? So you have to just check that the challenges and best practices you need to use that basically, right? So over world basically, what is DAG basically? You have to just understand what is DAG. DAG is just a geo replication across the globe basically, right? So you have to just check all the possibilities, network latencies, data transfer, right? Least timeout. So DAG span multiple ability group often across the geography benefit globe DR basically, right? For a failover, for more complex metadata is not shared, network latencies and killing performance, right? So you have to just think about the how can you optimize that one, what are the best practices to minimize downtime basically. So optimize health check with the least timeout, so we can just check from the replica name and the timeout like the command here, right? Then configure automatic seeding wisely, enable automatic seeding to low latency regional regions only, use manual restore across the region sync and all. Next, use readable secondary replica often basically, yeah, you cannot hit the primary and all. Avoid using synchronized commit across the latencies. High latencies kill sync performance. Go async cross designed designed replicas sync with that within the region basically, right? Beyond outside the region, that will be degrade the performance and all. Automate with the agents power shell script for failover, health checkup, validation job and all. You can use extended events for the monitoring, right? Or DMVs, system DMVs or for DAG basically. Perform grace failover basically, right? So you have just select, you have to just check that synchronize or redo log and all, and then you can go for the manual failover and all. There is some advantages and disadvantages of DAG basically. So drastically reduce performance, failover recovery time, enable a smooth region maintenance, improve uptime SLA, increase application performance reliabilities. What are the disadvantages basically? Regular proactive script and planning, no automatic log chain sharing, backup strategy, complexity, multiple layer coordinations needed during the failovers. So you have to just consider all these things and then you can minimize that the downtime for the DAG failover and all. So thank you for watching, hope you understand. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.